Attention, coastal states. The Atlantic is heating up as two tropical storm systems are now capturing the eyes of meteorologists and residents alike. Tropical storm Humberto has officially intensified into a Category 1 hurricane as of Friday, September 26th, and forecasts suggest it could strengthen further into a major hurricane over the weekend. Meanwhile, another tropical wave near Hispaniola is expected to develop into Tropical Storm Imelda, creating a rare scenario where two storms could affect the U.S. coastline in close proximity. The last time such an event occurred was in 2016 with Hurricanes Matthew and Nicole, which were about 800 miles apart. With both systems potentially approaching the Atlantic coast, residents from Florida to the southeast must stay alert and monitor updates as preparations for wind, rain, and possible storm surges become critical in the days ahead. As of Friday morning, Hurricane Humberto was located roughly 465 miles northeast of the Leeward Islands, moving over open ocean waters. While it does not currently pose an immediate threat to land, National Hurricane Center models show a projected northwest trajectory toward the Bahamas and potentially Florida. Experts emphasize that hurricanes can change direction and intensity quickly, meaning residents in coastal areas need to be prepared for potential evacuation or emergency measures. Forecast trackers indicate that while the center of the storm is expected to follow a certain path, the full impacts of the hurricane, wind, rainfall, and storm surge can extend far outside the predicted cone, affecting areas hundreds of miles away. Authorities are urging citizens to stay informed through official weather channels and local emergency management alerts as the storm continues to develop. While Humberto is already a hurricane, Tropical Storm Imelda has yet to form but shows strong potential to become a tropical depression within the coming days. Positioned several hundred miles from Humberto, Imelda could generate its own severe weather impacts, including heavy rain, gusty winds, and dangerous storm surges along the southeastern United States. The proximity of the two systems raises concern among meteorologists about compounded effects, as their interactions can sometimes influence each other's strength or path. Early projections warn of significant risk of impacts for states along the Atlantic and Gulf coasts, particularly in areas prone to flooding or infrastructure stress. Emergency managers are already reviewing response plans, and residents are encouraged to prepare their homes, stock up on essentials, and follow safety guidance from the National Hurricane Center. This dual storm scenario is uncommon, highlighting the importance of paying attention to forecasts and preparing early. Historical data shows that when two storms are close to each other in the Atlantic, they can either intensify or alter each other's path unpredictably. Coastal communities should prioritize creating emergency kits, checking evacuation routes, and securing property. This includes boarding up windows, ensuring generators are functional, and keeping important documents in waterproof containers. Meteorologists recommend subscribing to digital trackers, monitoring updates, and heeding local advisories. While Hurricane Humberto is the more immediate concern due to its current hurricane status, Tropical Storm Imelda could develop rapidly and compound the threat. Understanding the risks of wind, rain, and storm surge is key to protecting lives and property during this potentially volatile weather period. As we move through this hurricane season, staying vigilant is essential. Both Humberto and Imelda demonstrate how quickly conditions can change over the Atlantic, requiring residents and authorities to act decisively. While Humberto continues its path northeast of the Leeward Islands, ongoing tracking suggests a possible impact on the Bahamas and Florida, and Imelda's projected formation adds another layer of uncertainty. Weather experts emphasize that forecasting models provide guidance, but are not guarantees, meaning preparation and awareness remain the best tools for safety. From securing homes to reviewing emergency plans, Coastal residents should treat this as a serious reminder of hurricane season risks. Staying updated through official channels like the National Hurricane Center, following evacuation instructions if needed, and remaining ready for emergency conditions are crucial steps to mitigate potential damage as these storms develop over the coming days.